Hello everyone, so today we are going to be looking at the Birushana Rising Flower of Genpei limited edition. This has finally been localized to English after it's like 3 or 4 years ago that this was announced in Japan, and we're finally getting it here. So yeah, pre-ordered it, and then I also got these 2 cards from Idea Factory. So yeah, it comes with these 2 cards, part of their trading card series. So I'll just quickly open up the Switch game itself. I don't think there's anything in this per se. Oh, it has an alternate cover. That's the alternate cover. And there's the game card. Alright, so time to open the limited. So on top here, I think these are supposed to be postcards? Question mark? I guess I'll start from this side. Oh, they're done like photo style. So we have him. I am so excited this game is finally in English. I've been dying to play it. I love Hawk Loki, so I think I'll love this game too. I think this is the one I'm looking forward most to playing too. Like for the path, it looks really good from the snippets I've seen. I mean, it all looks good. Next we have, oh, it's a sticker sheet. So yeah, all the characters and some game symbols. Oh, and the title's also part of this sheet. Very nice. They feel like really nice stickers. Another limited edition that comes with a steel case. This is really pretty. And that's the inside. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I don't use steel cases myself. I just like seeing them, and someday I hope to just put a lot of them on display. We have the CD, back, inside, disc, inside cover, and our art book. So we have front, side, back, plus short stories. That's interesting. So, and here's short stories. Feel free to pause this to read. I'm not gonna read these at the moment because I haven't played any of this, so I don't know where this chronologically falls in the story, and don't want to accidentally spoil something. Which is also why I kind of just went to the character profiles. I will be revisiting this once I've played, but I also still just like looking at the artwork. I'm back. Yeah, in conclusion, the limited gives you the art book, the CD, steel case, sticker sheet, and the like art card photo set, and of course comes with the game. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you again.